बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos signing in. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. And I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning button recycling purses craft ideas. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very unique craft ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these craft ideas. So viewers, these are very beautiful, very amazing and very unique button purses ideas for you guys. You can use your old buttons and recycle them into a new purses. And if you like this video, then click the like button, and also guys, share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are incredible and these are very attractive purses craft ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these purses craft ideas. So viewers, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. Always think positive viewers, always be positive. These are very amazing and very unique button craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, always think positive, always be positive. Once again, I am thank you to all you guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. And you guys also watch different other kind of craft videos on my channel about different craft like pebble craft, recycling craft ideas, button craft, make cream ideas and so on. And if you want different kind of videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section and you must tell me about which kind of video you want. Then I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And you also must tell me about how much you like this video, and I am sharing with you all guys a beautiful craft work, because I also enjoy this type of craft work by my own, and I also make these type of things by my own, so you also must try at your homes and watch tutorials on YouTube about this type of craft work. So guys, enjoy your life and must subscribe my channel, and I'm very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. So take care of yourself, be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.